Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add the desktop icons in Windows 10. As read it is very easy. So within a minute I'm going to show you how to add this. So let's get started. I'm your friend Mohammed Shadan. You're watching our channel Learn Easily. Guys, if you wanna watch the same video in a Hindi language, please go and check the description box. I have provided the link of the video. Please go and check there and don't forget to subscribe the channel also, and please be updated. So now let's get started. This is our Windows screen. Yep, the time is 3:08. Sorry, 3 o'clock, 8 minutes. Click on the start button and go to the settings there, and there is option called personalization. Click on it and just go to the theme, click on it and scroll down, and there is icon called desktop icon setting. Click on it guys. It's so easy, I have told it earlier, and just check which one you want and select and deselect which one you don't want, and I have selected which one I wanted. And guys, you can even change the logo also guys. I am showing how to change the logo also. So let's change this logo. I'm going to put this one. Okay, and apply. Everything got loaded. Now click OK. As you can see, the icon is changed and successfully I have changed everything. Thank you guys, it's so easy. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like. Thank you.